Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 21st of July 2020. Let's have imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi never came within limit in yours or mine. This is zone, this is the area, or it is his or her language. Never heard from Didi's face. She have always been in the unlimited care and understanding of everyone, that I and my languages. Let's have start invaluable versions of God Shiva. Sweet children, the Father is teaching you in order to make you into beautiful deities. The foundation of your beauty is purity. Question: what is the sign of the moths who sacrifice themselves to the spiritual flame? Answer: first point, moths who sacrifice themselves to the flame know him accurately as he is and they remember him accurately. Second point, to sacrifice oneself means to become equal to the Father. Third point, to sacrifice oneself means to claim a right to a kingdom that is higher than the Father's. Song: the flame has ignited in the gathering of moth. Essence for Dharana. First point, your last effort making body is your most valuable ones. You have to earn a lot of income with that body, eat and drink with the unlimited Father, and experience all relationships with Him. Second point, don't perform any such act through which the Brahmin family's honor and the father's honor would be lost. Be soul conscious and become completely pure. By having remembrance, remove all the old alloy from you, the soul. Blessing: may you be a detached observer while seeing scenes of sorrow and peacelessness in the iron-aged world with unlimited disinterest. Description: whatever may be happening in the iron-aged world, you are always in the ascending stage. For the world, there are crises of distress, whereas for you, there are crises of victory. You are not afraid of any situation because you have become ready in advance. You see all types of games as detached observers. Whether someone is crying or calling out is loudly, there is pleasure in observing as a detached observer. Those who observe the scenes of sorrow and peacelessness of the iron-aged world as detached observers easily become those who have unlimited disinterest. Slogan: whatever type of land you want to prepare, as well as serving with words, also serve with your attitude. Om Shanti.